This video this unboxing review this is unboxing this chest on there is a two-piece screwdriver set. So there is a Phillips and a 5/8 screw. In this case, so now they say this there is a Creston personal tools. There is a box review this work safety with tools wearing safety googles. So there it is the box review this. Let's see this. And what the thing using this the thing uses Phillips. Is Phillips and 5/8 screwdriver. It is a nice color blue. Another thing is and I think it's a smaller that one. Okay, so the thing is nice smaller that one here. And there you go. Okay, this is a 15 amp this standard duplex outlet. You test this and I'll take you see this standard outlet. There you go. This duplex. And we'll take this set screw. Okay. Oops. Take use my flashlight here. Okay. Okay. So they'll take you to take the set screws here. There you go. This quick test. And then it is a 15 amp outlet. This testing the build. So this testing the build this, and there you go. So the test is using this Phillips and 5/8. Keep this box on this. This another this SDS 111. Okay, then put it down. Then put it back on the box. There you go. Okay, so there is very nice the new tools. This Creston hardware screwdriver set. Thanks. Goodbye.